Yeah, I think we're like out of space on this shit, bro. Like to the last 8 minutes of footage.
I want to make sure that we get this thing good though.
The man who owns the home says he was shocked to see the security video when he her first look ass.
It's funny. We're at lunch, and I thought because I was playing with Humphrey and I had like Humphrey on my hands, I kept like bringing my sandwich to my mouth, and I kept smelling like Humphrey, and I was like, and I put it away, right? And I was like, I don't know. And then I was like, what is that? Right? And I smell my hands. I'm like, what's that smell? So I went and washed my hands. Patrick's like, it's Humphrey, bro. So I went and washed my hands, and I come back and I still smelled it, and I ended up finding out it's the cheese. And then I was like, fucking Humphrey smells like Havarti, man. This is like a cheese.
No, Humphrey smells.
This one I didn't tie down, but like, look. Like I stuffed it all the way in there.
Good, thank you. They expressed their frustration with the lack of communication. The nurse is going to see on Monday. He's going to say, what the fuck? The doctor did this?
No. So then we gotta do the clean again.
What about the bottom hole? The bottom hole too, right?
This one?
No, there's a third hole.
There's a third hole.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, fuck my life.
Sorry, I didn't know there was something else there. Sorry, Patch. Good thing. Forgot there's something way down there that... Sorry, Patch.
It's okay.